Welcome guys, and in this video I'll show you how to draw lines in Tinkercad. So basically what you'll need to do is go to Tinkercad and click on this little arrow and you'll see the scribble tool. Select and put on your work plane randomly, and right here you'll be able to scribble. So let's say I will write a G letter, and that will show how it look like in 3D. So let's see, I will write subscribe and you'll see the results. And right here, you'll be able to erase something if it goes wrong, or you can just add this tool, as you can see. And now you can basically use that and click done. And as you can see how it look like, now you can minimize it and scale it up. Now you can make it higher and etc. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.